nationwide, and that project will continue. At the same time, nakita niyo yung mga fire trucks, we are also investing in fire trucks. Parang kung magkaroon ng sunog, alam mo yung sunog, masama yan eh. Wipe out tayo kung nasunugan tayo. So we want to provide fire trucks and train our people, our volunteers to fight fire, among other things. And then we have also medical outreach, meron din kaming rice distribution, maraming project. Mauusan tayo ng oras dito eh. Ano-anong mga project na kailangan gawin namin. Ang mahalaga rito, kami po ay tumutulong, kami po ay kaibigan.
Sir, on a more critical issue, where do FFCCII stands in terms of yung dun sa mga dumadaming pag-aresto natin ng mga pogo? Kasi maraming sangkot dito ng mga Chinese nationals. Statement lang sir from your chamber.
Alam niyo, kami ay against pogo, lalo na illegal pogo. Kasi ang mga pogo, binaban ngayon na hindi lang dito, pati sa China. Sa China, ayaw din nila pogo. Illegal yan eh. Saka mga gambling, nakakasira ng pamilya, nakakasira ng negosyo. Ang kumikita lang dyan yung mga pogo operators, which is not good. Okay? So we are against that. And then on top of that, marami pang mga illegal activities ginagawa ng pogo. Kasama dyan yung mga money laundering, mga kidnapping, kung ano-anong ginagawa para kumita sila, which is not nice. We don't want that to happen. So, pasukin na lang natin ang AI, artificial intelligence. Pasukin natin ang technology needed for us to move forward. Marami po dyan sa Pogo, magaling sa technology. Ilipat natin sa more fruitful, productive engagement, which is online, which is high-tech.
Sir, on another issue naman, where do you stand yung inyong chamber pagdating sa China and Philippine territorial dispute sa West Philippine Sea?
Alam niyo yung West Philippine Sea, kung mag-aaway-aaway dyan, walang mangyayari sa atin. We have to emphasize our sovereignty. Walang compromise tayo dyan. But China is also looking at their own sovereignty. So kung mag-aaway-aaway dyan, gera ang pupuntahan natin. So hindi maganda yun.
So what should be done?
My position is set aside. Itabi natin yung pag-aaway. Maghanap tayo ng pwedeng pagsamahan, pwedeng kooperasyon, pwedeng tulungan. Huwag na tayo magbitaw ng mga salita na nakakasakit. Pag sinabi natin nakakasakit, yung kabila, ganun din ang gagawin sa atin. Alam mo yung magkaibigan, nagiging magkaaway, pati yung kapamilya. Pamilya ba kayo? Nag-aaway dyan, di ba? Kapuso, nag-aaway din yan, di ba? So iwasan natin yung away. Hanapin natin yung kapayapaan.
Sir, last for me, what's your take on the Alice Go issue? Do you also think that the Senate have been, has been parang lumilihis yung kanilang atensyon kasi nagkakaroon ng hearing pagdating kay Mayor Alice Go?
Alam niyo po yung Alice Go, naging sarsuela, di ba? Magandang attraction yan eh. Kasi napapanood. Pero in general, hanapin natin yung mga mas importanteng issues na kailangan natin dito sa bayan. Di ba? Kung kailangan hanapin natin kung paano hanap yung hanap buhay. Di ba? Yan ang hanahanapin ko sa Senate. How do you promote investment? How do you promote power generation? Kasi yan ang kailangan in the years to come eh. Yung Alice Go will not generate power generation.
Pero sa ang depensa ng Senate is ginagawa nila mga hearing na yun to find out yung kanilang theory that she's actually a Chinese spy. Do you believe so? That spy itong si Alice Go?
Alam mo, hindi ako kasama dun eh. Kaya very hard to comment eh, di ba? Meron silang agenda eh, kanyang-kanyang agenda. Pero my agenda is how do we help the country? And that for me is my important.
Alright. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Salamat.
Let's get the
organizations. Thank you so much. The Philippines Zhang Xiao Long Tongsai Association. Thank you so much. Sichuan and Chamber of Commerce in the Philippines Incorporated. Alay Lakad Foundation, Rotary Club, Lions Club. Thank you so much. Anglicom Financial Executive
Go ahead.
Institution of the Philippines. JCI Manila.
Very brief
YMCA.
response on the essence of your activity this
Bulaong, thank you so much. CDC Holdings,
Sige, sir,
Hope
okay na po, may mic.
Christian Alumni
Well, magandang
Association.
umaga po sa inyong lahat. The most
Team
important
Menu One
event for us
Association, Manila,
this year
Chinatown,
is the
Binondo
celebration
Eagles
of the
Club.
Philippine Independence Day.
Phil Chenday,
126th
Chamber of
anniversary.
Commerce Incorporated. Thank
It
you
is
as
something
well.
that we treasure,
MCPD,
not just
MCPD,
among the Filipinos,
Office
but
of the
among
Vice
the
Mayor,
Chinese Filipinos
MPIO,
in the Philippines.
BTCAM,
We are celebrating our
Barangay Zone
70th
Chairman 2, 3,
70th
4, and
anniversary.
Barangay Officers
70
District.
years
Once
na kami
again,
dito sa
thank you so
Pilipinas,
much.
dito sa
Engineering
Maynila.
Office, thank you so
And
much
ang
as
tema
well.
namin is
CGSO,
kung
thank you so
sino
much.
pusong
MPD
Pilipino
Traffic
o
Bureau.
pusong Pinoy. Kami po ay Pilipino at naniniwala kami dito sa Pilipinas. Kami po ay tumutulong
and the
at
Bureau
kung pwede,
of Fire Manila.
kahit anong
Thank
gagawin
you
namin,
so
hindi
much.
kami alis dito. Dito ang
salamat
bayan
po.
namin at dito
Once again,
kami
ladies and gentlemen,
pinanganak.
concludes
Dito
our
rin kami
program this
mamamatay.
morning. We would
Okay?
like to thank
So,
our
ang ginagawa
for
namin,
your support,
lahat
and of course, many
na
thanks to
kailangan
our
para
partners
umunlad ang
and the
bayan.
Federation of
And
Filipino
this celebration
Chinese
is a
Chamber of
celebration
Commerce
of
and Industry
pagkakaibigan.
Incorporated
Dapat
as well as
magkaibigan.
the President
The
of
key
the
here is
Department of the City of Manila who helped and supported this wonderful
Alam mo, sa
event. Once
panahon,
again, thank you
naglipitan,
so much.
kaibigan
This
ang kailangan.
event is brought to you by FFFCCCII, Lakad Magkaibiga in partnership
Pwede po.
with
Apo, yeah,
the
go ahead.
Manila City Government of
panahon,
Manila. Maraming salamat po muli po
Pinundahan ako eh.
kung sino pusong
May
Pinoy.
mic naman, sir.
Maraming salamat po. Happy Independence Day. Isang masigabong palakpakan naman po sa ating lahat. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day. I have been your host, Rosco. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, pwede na.
Go.
Okay. So,
Take two.
sa Take Two, sa panahon ng kagipitan, kaibigan ang kailangan.
Yun.
Sa panahon ng kapayapaan, kaibigan pa rin ang kailangan. So, lakad magkaibigan is to emphasize the importance of kaibigan. The importance of coming together. Sinabi ko, whether Tagalog kayo, Ilonggo kayo, Ilocano, Bisaya, or Chinese, or Chinese speaking. Habang nandito kayo sa Pilipinas, kaibigan tayo lahat. At ang gusto namin mangyari, magtulungan, sama-sama para umunlad ang bayan. So maghanap kami kung anong paraan dapat para magkaroon ng trabaho ang mga kababayan natin, para magkaroon ng income ang mga kababayan natin. Dahil yan ang kailangan sa panahon na ito, lalo na sa ngayon, maraming inflation. Napalayo na yata ako sa
Yeah, that's fine, sir.
lakad
Sir,
magkaisa.
FCCCII has been a long-standing partner ng Philippine government. Anything that you have in the pipeline, major programs to, you know, reiterate your commitment?
Yeah, we have several programs lined up. One of
Like?
them is this one. After this, we're also doing the paglilinis. We want to clean up the Chinatown. We want to clean up the entire country. Kailangan eh. And then we want to plant trees. Kailangan magtanim din tayo, no? Tulad dito, maganda rito dahil marami tayong puno. Ang pagtatanim, yan ang important oxygen producing trees that will be needed for our country moving forward. On top of that, we are also encouraging investors to come in and invest in the Philippines. Kailangan natin ng mga manufacturing investment, yung mga outfit that will invest in manufacturing para magkaroon ng trabaho. Maraming mga kababayan natin umaalis dahil walang trabaho. Kailangan gumawa tayo ng trabaho dito sa Pilipinas. That's one of our thrust in the coming days more than anything else. Of course, we're at the forefront also building classroom for education. Kailangan may edukasyon ng mga tao natin eh. Continue effort.